Welcome! In this video, we'll guide you step by step in setting up Delinea identity policies with Digipass FX7. You'll learn how to create and edit an authentication profile to enable FIDO2 authentication, modify an identity policy to allow FIDO2 token registration, and assign authentication profiles to an identity policy. Step 1. Configure an authentication profile. In the Delinea setup, go to Settings and then MFA and Security. Select Authentication Profiles. Choose an existing policy or add a new one. Click Edit and enable FIDO2 Authenticator in one or both challenges. Click Save. Step 2. Enable FIDO2 in an identity policy. Navigate to Access and select Identity Policies in the Admin portal. Choose an existing policy or create a new one. Go to the User Security tab and select Authenticator Settings. Click Edit and set Enable Users to enroll FIDO2 authenticators to Enabled. Enter a FIDO2 security key display name. This name will be visible to end users during registration. Click Save. Step 3. Assign authentication profiles. Navigate to Access and select Identity Policies. Select the policy to which you wish to assign an authentication profile. Go to the Authentication tab. Assign or confirm authentication profiles containing your FIDO2 challenge settings. Save any changes. That's it. Your Delinea identity policy is now set up with Digipass FX7.